Good morning, everyone. And we wanted to make available an updated and refreshed original scorecard from Stock Market Caddy to all of our members, and at the same time, just give you a couple of tips about what we're recording here, how we use it, how we clear out the constants, and what is the most important consideration on this scorecard and the most important ingredient to all of our trading. By the way, I continue to learn from each and every one of our members, and I thank you, Caleb. Caleb said to me the other day, Don, it looks like your Excel program is from like 1998. Well, Caleb was wrong. It was from 2002. It was 20 years old. So I broke down and subscribed to the new Microsoft 365 for $70 a year. Great. You get like 5 or 6 installations, or you can on 5 or 6 machines. You get the whole new Excel and Word. Really nice. You get storage and really nice features, but they've really improved Excel in the last 20 years. Obviously, I'm not a huge student of Excel. I need to challenge my learning curve, and Caleb kicked that off. So I thought I would come back to our scorecard and give this a refresh. So let me show you what's here, how you would do this. When I'm trading, when I'm trading robotically, TradeStation is keeping track of my trades. But when I'm trading manually, what I'll do is I'll keep track of my trades. TradeStation can keep track of those too, but I'll either keep track of them from TradeStation or on a legal pad. And then at the end of the day, I'll just simply do this. I'll come in and we'll plug in a fictitious performance here. And I'll plug in the date, and I'll plug in the market that I may have been trading, or markets. In this instance, we're going to say we're a trading swing machine, which is what really we've been doing. And I'm going to say the interval is the 1 minute, 3 minute configuration. Now the total trades I don't need to put in, because I'm going to say that I have 5 here, 5 winning trades. You can see it begins to populate. And I'm going to say that I had 2 losing trades. So you can see that the total trade count gets populated. It updates down here, and then it automatically calculates our win-loss ratio. Now, I don't need to calculate our average winners. I'd simply go here to profit, and let's say that I had a good day. I had a gross profit of the trades that I won when I total up all the winning trades, $950. But then what I do is I take the losing trades, the 2 losing trades, and I put them in, and it's a loss, minus, and we're going to say 375. Oops, dropped my glasses there, sorry. And you can see it now populates my net, and it tells me my average losing trades. I'm averaging 187.50 on my losers, 190 on my winners, and then it automatically calculates my profit factor. What is profit factor? Profit factor is integral to what we do. See, we do not focus on the money. Everybody else focuses on the money. And if you are focusing on the money, you are, whether you admit it or not, you are subtly trading greed or fear. And that will get old and you will lose. It's not good. We focus on profit factor. If you have a profit factor of 1, anywhere from like 0.9 to 1.1, you are flipping coins, and the only one making money are the brokerages with commissions. You're not making any money. If you are below that, you are losing money, and you are running a business in the red. If you have a profit factor of 1 to 2, you are making money, but you are working hard. What it means is, if you are flipping coins, you'd have a profit factor of 0.9 to 1.1, basically 1. If you have an edge and you get to 2, it means you're making $2 for every dollar you lost. $3 for every dollar you've lost. So what we say here as a reminder, a profit factor below 1 on any week, we would suggest that trader stop trading and trade for a full week. Go into the penalty box for a full week and trade in simulation until you get your profit factor north of 1, and find out what it is and reach out to us, and we'll try to do the best we can to help. Now, this would be whether you're trading manually or with a strategy or working on a strategy, but take a break. A profit factor from 1 to 2 is average, and we would suggest that person stay small. Okay, they're working hard, so you want to stay small. Don't get impatient and increase your leverage chasing a number, a profit number. Got to get that profit factor up. 2 to 3 we consider above average, and in general, a person with a 2 to 3 profit factor on a weekly basis, we would strongly suggest they stay in the realm in futures at the micro level. Maybe not 1, but not 10. Don't trade, minis. Don't increase your leverage. Maybe trade 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. It's a suggestion. If you're trading over 3 on a profit factor on a weekly basis, you become a money-making machine. You're making $3 or more for every dollar you've lost. At that point, whatever your trading capital is, if you can afford and you can trade in proportion, you're certainly fine to be trading minis in our view. You trade over 5, you are in trading nirvana. You just got to guard against becoming euphoric. We have had, now profit factors will vary from day to day, from week to week, but we want to keep them positive. We're trading as a business. We're not trading to, score the big hit. And we're not focused on the money on every single trade. We've had a member have a weekly profit factor of 80. What does that mean? If he lost $100, he made $8,000. If he lost $1,000, he made $80,000. The money is a byproduct. Here at Stock Market Caddy, we really don't even talk about the money. It's all about the profit factor. Now, to clear the contents, if you have this, you save as a master copy, you record all your trades for the week, and then you save it in a file and date it and maybe make whatever notes you want to make. But then the next week you want to clear. What you want to do with Excel is highlight this area. You don't have to highlight this. You don't want to take this out. And what we want to, if you press delete or clear contents, you'll clear the formulas. If you do that by accident and you're a member, just let me know and I'll send you a master copy. But when you first get this, you might want to save this copy. It'll be nice and clean as a master copy. What you want to do is come up to your Excel, click here, find and select. Come here to go to special. Come here to constants. And then what we're going to clear are numbers, text, and then we'll uncheck these two, hit OK. And there are the constants. And then what we're going to do is just press delete and everything should clear. And there it is. And we got a nice, clean scorecard for the next week. And we haven't deleted the formulas. And I'm just going to come up here and save it. Now, we have a more advanced scorecard, and we're going to be refreshing and updating that. And that scorecard came from us from one of our members. He took this layout, made it smaller, made it much more sophisticated, and we're going to update that and get that out to everybody as well. Once again, I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to give us a shout. You want to know what we're doing, how we're going about our business. The big thing that we're doing differently than there's a number of things that we're doing differently. One, we're trading mechanically, robotically. We're not a tip sheet. So if you're looking to subscribe to a service that is handing out the fish and, getting a trade on here, there, willy-nilly, that's fine, but that's not us. We're a mentoring site. We're trying to help people to trade mechanically, robotically, and then most important, trading as a business. Okay, so we're not into just going to the driving range and hitting the golf ball 350 yards at Top Golf and impressing all the girls or the fans. We're interested in learning the craft of trading like golf and being able to go out onto a regulation golf course and play a good competitive round of golf. We may not be Tiger Woods, but we're going to play a good, respectable, and we're going to have a very nice handicap, or otherwise known as profit factor, and that's what we're up to. 813-758-8263. Have a great day.